Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink, and AC/DC had released a new teaser of a new song, Demon Fire. So since we are AC/DC fans, there was no brainer to check it out how it's played. I'm going to show it to you. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. This way you got a push notification when a new video is uploaded or live stream is taking place. So how's this thing played? Oops. Like this. So that's the part which is already available, and it's probably the most part of the song. The solo we're going to check out on another day when the whole song is released probably. So make sure you're subscribed. And so now let's check out this great riff. It's pretty fast. It's 160 BPM. So, but it's not really hard to play, I must say. Speed is not a problem, it's just that you know what you're doing, and so let's check it out. First we talk about the sound settings, of course. AC/DC always has a really dry signal, British amps with spring reverb. So I've chosen an orange amp here, probably the Marshall amp with a medium spring reverb, and that's it. So let's check out the main riff, this one. It's this one here. I'm pretty sure it's with this fingering, because if you play it in another position, I don't think it really works. So it's in E, of course, and starts here. 7, 6, 5, 7. And then 6, 5, slowed down to 3. Then you come back, 5, 6, 5, 3, 0. And then you go to E5. So. And you make the E5 short. If you want to play it here. That probably also works here, but I don't think it's cool here. Could also work here if you want. 2, 1, but I would recommend the other position. It's way more convenient and is more precise. But who knows? It's probably also played here. There will be 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 0, wait. So it will be like this, yeah. Good, so that's the main riff. Then comes a middle part. That part is probably played with 2 guitars, but I'm going to show the version with 1 guitar. We go in A5, 0, 2, 2, then D over A, so 1, 2, and there's a typical AC/DC thing with you have a chord on 1 and the second one's on 2 ends, so 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, and 3, and then comes the open A. See, so that's the first guitar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then comes the other guitar. This one here. 5, 3. Then 3, 5. So. Twice. 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5. So that will be that one here. It's really simple, but this is a little bit tricky. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4. On the 3 end, you play the open A string. On 4, the chord 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Then 1, and 2, and 3, 4. You count like this. That's this part. Let's play twice. And then comes the main riff again. Twice. And then comes this. You can also play it here how you like. I prefer this one here. 6, 5, 3, 0. 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Just play twice. 1 bar break. Or here. Yeah, probably it's played down here, but I don't really like the fingering here because when I remember the sound of the guitar, sounds more like it's played here. So, but I recommend the other position. 1, 0, 3, 0. Yeah, twice, and then comes the second guitar. So 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Then we have 7, 7 twice on offbeat. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 7, 9, 9. The first one is on offbeat and 1 and the second one is on 3. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and this one is on the beat. But as I said, probably there are 2 guitars. So one guitar plays the one and the other one is the answer. You can do as you like. With 2 guitars, 1 guitars. And this goes to the refrain. That's a typical AC/DC refrain. We go to G5 here. 3, 3 on the B and the E string. Open D, open G string. To normal D. To a A5, but like this. Second fret, and pinky in the 5th. That with this is the top note, so. And then the other guitar makes again this one, and so 1 and so this comes a 1. The syncopation on 1, 2 and is really often with AC. So 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. That's the way you count it. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. That's the way it's done. But as I said, this answer probably is the other guitar. If you're good enough, you can play it all in one, if you like. If not, you have a second body who plays this part. So these are the parts which are already available. It's probably more or less the song. I'm going to play it now with the backing track. It was just a drum track on 160 BPM. Yeah, sorry guys, I made a mistake at the very end. I didn't hit the right chord. I just saw the song 1 hour ago that it came out and I just learned it. So I apologize if it's not completely perfect. But I was pretty sure you guys out there are greedy to know this song. I really love it, I must say. It's really cool, typical AC/DC. I mean, I'm an AC/DC fan, always been. But now I also listen to other music, I must admit, like classical music or whatever. But it's cool too if you want to rock. AC/DC is the band to really check out. And the guitars are not hard to play. That's the really cool thing with AC/DC. They have drive and the stuff is not so hard to play, but you have to be precise on the rhythm. That's why I explained the rhythm really clearly to you. And the rhythm guitar, even I played a little bit with palm muted. It's not played with palm muted at all. That's probably part of their signature thing. No palm muting on this line. That's why it's probably played down here. Shit. Oh, I'm not supposed to say that word. Yeah. Good. One more to say. If you want to download the tabs, I don't have a backing track for this. But the tabs are available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join there. It's really cool. Write me a review on Google Maps. Follow me on Telegram. I have a Telegram account new now. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Spotify. Follow me on Google. So, me and Dr. Pink are signing off.